Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. We'll talk about everything you need to know. There's going to be a full update. It's an important update as well because the situation has changed since yesterday. All right, which is a little bit strange because the situation has turned more bearish. Dogecoin is not bearish, not by any stretch of the imagination, because on the 4-hour time frame, you could argue we are still in an uptrend. I don't think we are, but you could technically argue it. And on the 1-hour time frame, we are consolidating. But what happened yesterday? Even and the weird thing is that Bitcoin is making all-time highs. Bitcoin has made all-time highs in the last 3 hours. And then at the same point of time, Dogecoin has lost bullish momentum because that is the big change. All right, Dogecoin was quite bullish for the last couple of days, and we accurately predicted that and we accurately saw that. But then yesterday we had somewhat of a bigger drop. We received good support at first, as you can see right here, but then we lost it. All right, we lost the momentum. We were not able to hold this lower time frame uptrend, as you can see we had right here. Broke down below that with the bearish momentum that we saw from Bitcoin, because yesterday afternoon Bitcoin actually did pressure altcoins quite a bit. Bitcoin itself was still relatively stable, but the Bitcoin dominance went up quite a bit. All right, so Bitcoin was gaining against altcoins, including Dogecoin. So we lost that trend. All right, we lost that lower time frame uptrend. So whereas first of all on the lower time frames and the higher time frames as well, we were bullish, and that bullish momentum got us back up to 42 cents. So it was actually a nice rally. Now you can see that technically we have broken that, and at the same point of time, and I cannot stress this enough, but this is one of the most important things to keep an eye on, the volume is down as well. What I told you yesterday is that, if we actually want to talk about a breakout, we need a volume of at least $15 billion, preferably higher. The lower the volume for Dogecoin, the less activity there is, and the less big moves can happen. All right. So for example, right now you can see volume is $8.6 billion. That's just too low to do anything here. So what I say is that we are back into this consolidation here between 35 cents and 42 cents. Now, something that is slightly more bullish in my eyes is that I think the altcoin market right now is looking quite good. All right. So what you can see is that Bitcoin, or at least it seems to me most likely that Bitcoin is now going to consolidate a little bit on the top, that we can actually see a little bit of recovery for altcoins with a more bearish Bitcoin dominance. So that also means that an altcoin like Dogecoin, which is still right now with the retail coming in, one of the most favorite coins of a lot of people, it's still most likely that we will move up to the top of the range, right? Because we are in a range. That doesn't mean that we cannot go up or down, right? So I would say that is still most likely that we will continue to move up. But like I said, this doesn't really mean anything if we cannot break out above this bigger level, in my eyes, on the higher time frames. And break above that level, we need more momentum. Momentum is also non-existent right now, and we need more volume. All right, so short term, I would say it's most likely we will move up to the top of the range, but I don't think we'll break out of that top of the range. I think we'll reject and to ultimately drop back down to this level here at 35 cents. And especially that drop into 35 cents, you should be prepared for. All right. So keep an eye on that. There's also, by the way, still quite a lot of liquidity to the upside. So that's another reason why we would move up there. And just another confluence. But that is essentially what I would say the most likely scenario is right now, and why. All right. So if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and bye.